Dusting your home can significantly improve indoor air quality, but it can be a daunting task. To make it more manageable, tackle one room at a time, starting from the top and working your way down. Begin by decluttering surfaces and removing fabrics like pillows and rugs to shake off excess dust outside. Change your vacuum and AC filters to capture airborne particles before you start. Use a vacuum or a long-handled broom to sweep the ceiling, then carefully dust light fixtures, walls, and door frames with a microfiber cloth. Don't forget to clean windows, sills, and blinds, as well as to thoroughly wipe down surfaces and decorative items before returning them. For electronics, use a dry cloth, vacuum with a brush attachment, and compressed air to dislodge dust. Finally, remember to clean the leaves of houseplants to help them filter air effectively.